Alright, you're gonna have to push it over a little bit into the yard as you lower it down. Just watch this line back here that doesn't roll back onto this line. Like you got a ways, just, you know what I mean? Can you get out on it a little further? Well, the rig points back the other way, so if you cut it in the middle somewhere right there and cut it like you're cutting it toward the house, that should flip it back around, back toward the rig point. Boy, you got lucky. Almost took out that saw. What's the matter, Mama? You got babies in this nest? Got babies in there? Yeah. Can we get them out of there for you and relocate them? Alright, you good? Hang on, hang on. You're not quite free, I don't think. Yeah, that tiny rib in there. Just cut down into it like you're cutting down into the stump. There we go, now we're good. Yeah, it's crazy how the tiniest thing will hold it up like that. Howdy. Yeah, we saw you leave. You were just right up here at the corner getting ready to go that way, and we were turning on 27th to come up over here. Well, we gotta take this one down. We gotta grind that stump out. There's a couple more stumps over here to grind, and then we gotta clean up the deadwood in these front trees. So we'll be here the rest of the day.